Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming versions. Match Litematica to your Minecraft and Fabric/Forge loader. Once done, place Litematica and ma-li-lib jars into the mods folder and restart the launcher so the mod initializes properly. Make sure to back up your world saves. Corrupted schematics are avoidable. Then open Minecraft. Go to mods to verify Litematica is active. These quick checks prevent version mismatches and missing dependencies that stop schematic loading before you proceed to obtain and import designs. You now locate schematics. Search curated community packs and repository threads for Litematic files because they retain metadata and offsets. Once you find a scheme or schematic, convert it to Litematic using a recommended conversion tool. This preserves block states. After conversion, put the Litematic into the Minecraft/schematics folder or use the in-game import dialog from Litmatica's menu. Then load the schematic. Set origin and rotation. This ensures the placement aligns with your build site and player orientation. You finish by positioning the schematic. Set the origin and rotation so the model snaps correctly to terrain and toggle render layers to view specific blocks. Once placed, use copy/paste for subsystems and save layers for staged construction. This helps with large or multi-part designs. If the schematic won't load or blocks look wrong, make sure Litematica and ma-li-lib versions match, reconvert the file, and confirm the file isn't corrupted. One solid check fixes most import errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.